Guys, we just have to talk about some breaking news just released that has caused Shiba Inu token to be the biggest 24-hour gainer among the top cryptocurrencies right now at the time of recording this video. This really changes a lot for Shiba Inu and opens up the door for some ridiculous gains and mass adoption in the future. So make sure to stick around all the way, guys, so you don't miss anything today, because we are going to also see what this can mean for the price of Shiba Inu. So what actually happened? Just now, Shiba Inu got listed on one of the absolute biggest crypto exchanges that exists. It is Coinbase and has a total transaction volume of multiple $100 billions for this year, and it means that Shiba Inu is now exposed to an entirely new group of investors that would have never bought Shiba Inu before. There were rumors going around about this earlier, but now those rumors are finally confirmed, with Coinbase announcing this themselves on their blog page. They wrote that Shiba Inu is a token that aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, the popular meme coin. Unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, Shiba is intentionally abundant, with a circulating supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. The Shiba Inu token ecosystem supports projects like an NFT art incubator and the development of a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. Its long-term goals include the implementation of an NFT marketplace, and developers have established a Shiba Inu rescue fund. Now, according to Investors Place and Coinbase themselves, Shiba Inu is not a very serious token, and honestly, even the community agrees that it is more of a meme coin trying to rival Dogecoin, which is not necessarily a bad thing, by the way, and it still makes it possible for Shiba Inu to at least 10x from where it is today if we see a sudden wave of retail buyers going right into it, similar to what happened to Dogecoin really. But this is also why everyone is so surprised. When something gets listed on Coinbase, that cryptocurrency is usually very closely vetted, since they are quite selective when choosing what to list on their exchange. Even Dogecoin was only listed on Coinbase just a couple of weeks ago. So this means that they actually have vetted the Shiba Inu token. They have looked at Shiba Inu token closely and decided that this is indeed a legit token worth listing. So just that is great news and shows that all those people that are saying that Shiba Inu is a scam, that they are wrong, at least according to Coinbase. But now people will be able to trade Shiba Inu as early as this Thursday, so very soon we will see just how much buying volume will be going into Shiba on that day. Since it is quite tedious process really to get Shiba before this happened, if you are just a regular Coinbase user especially, and since it will be so much easier right now, I am personally definitely expecting a massive new wave of investors getting right into the token, although we can of course never tell for sure how it will affect the actual price of it before it happens. But I am at least hoping for the best, of course, for all you Shiba holders out there. But aside from this, we're also waiting from Robinhood to see if they will list Shiba Inu on their platform, as it has been teased before. It is another massive catalyst that could lead to us seeing similar movements in Shiba Inu as we're seeing right now. So guys, be on the lookout for that. The petition to get this thing listed on Robinhood now has over 130,000 names on it, so it almost feels inevitable at this point. But just this in itself is just huge for Shiba, and there are a bunch of different analysts giving out their own views on Shiba Inu. They point to the additional feature that Shiba Inu has when compared to Dogecoin with their Shiba Swap and the advantages of operating on the Ethereum platform. They also recognize that in the same way Dogecoin gained popularity from the masses, we might see something similar happen to Shiba Inu, which now has a crazy 500,000 members on the Shiba subreddit, and it is still going up rapidly. All great signs, of course. It is of course still a hype coin at this point, and I would personally be quite cautious and probably not invest my life savings into it. There is, however, a possibility that it gains a similar status to Dogecoin, where it gains stability and almost becomes a store of value of sorts, which would of course be huge for its price. Now, whether this happens or not, the sentiment is still very much bullish, even among the analysts. For example, FX Street predicts a potential 65% gain on its price, although that was before the Coinbase listing, so now the target might be much bigger. Walling investors think it could drop one of its zeros and almost 10x from here, and we also have CoinQuar predicting a bullish period ahead and makes the case for a very high valuation of 0.0001 in 2022. Now personally, I would, just based on this momentum we are seeing right now, be bullish on Shiba Inu at least for the short term, but being completely transparent with you guys, I personally do prefer more long-term investments, and I urge you all to also take care of your hard-earned money. But still, if you can afford it, I see nothing wrong with putting a couple of percents into your portfolio into something like Shiba Inu, because who knows where it could go. Just be aware of the risks, of course. Now we just have to wait and see what happens on Thursday. It is all about the expectations of the market right now and whether we exceed expectations and in fact more investors than expected decide to buy Shiba Inu through Coinbase. That would mean that the rally we're seeing right now could continue beyond Thursday and just take Shiba Inu to skyrocket into new heights. On the other hand, there is of course always a risk that less investors than we expect actually buy Shiba Inu through Coinbase on Thursday, which could also hurt Shiba in the shorter term. But guys, I don't think that will really bother you diamond handers out there that were already bullish on this thing way before the Coinbase listing. And aside from that, we still have to remember that if Robinhood actually lists Shiba, which it sure seems like right now with a ridiculous amount of people that have signed to the petition, that is just a massive catalyst to look out for that could lead to a similar rally as the one we are seeing right now. But again guys, remember here, it's a risky buy and not something I personally would want to own for the longer term. Again, just being transparent with you guys, since I personally do not like to mindlessly pump stuff on this channel. Now on the short term, however, it would be quite a fun gamble to see what happens, but please don't view it as a, long-term investor. Of course, I wish all the best for all the Shiba Inu holders out there, and who knows, maybe this thing can actually be worth 1 cent in 2025 or something like that. Personally, I am not super convinced right now, but regardless, doesn't matter. It's not financial advice I'm talking about here, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor. So please guys, do your own research and come to your own conclusions with your hard-earned money when deciding whether to invest in Shiba Inu or not. Now, regardless, going to be very exciting to see what happens in the coming days to Shiba Inu, and I will make sure to update you guys if we see more interesting stuff. And guys, with that, I will conclude today's video. If you're new here, by the way, my name is Sam and welcome to the channel. Here I talk about various different interesting investments and growth stocks that I think have potential for the future or maybe even the short term that is interesting for me to follow and I want to talk about. Anyways, if you liked this particular video, then please press that like button. It is the absolute best way you can support me and support the channel, help the Shiba Inu video reach out to more people, and simply spread the message. Also, if you watched all the way to this point, and if you enjoy this content, of course, then why not subscribe to the channel and join our great community. Guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.